I think you got ripped off, buddy.
I think I did. They screwed me over. This is not the Toyota. This is a Scion.
Want to say how to reset a Toyota?
I thought it was a Scion, bro.
Or I mean a Scion. Well, any Toyota.
But it's a Scion, bro.
Any Toyota.
It clearly says Scion.
You just hold down the trip A while it's an accessory, and then it'll flash like 5 times, and then it'll turn off the maintenance light.
That's cool now, bro, but it's a Scion.
It's a Scion!
Man, I don't even know how to start this, bro. Like, it's been
too long.
It's been like a month, guys. I'm sorry, but what is going on? I'm here to update you guys. But yeah, man, you guys are probably
been shit too.
Huh?
That's another thing. The weather's been shit too.
Weather has been shit, but mostly. So you guys know, before I was working and I was like, hey, I'm not working anymore. Well, now I'm working again because, guys, you need money to make shit happen. I'm not at that level yet where, you know, I have hella money off YouTube. So, you know, as anyone, you gotta work, man. You gotta work. So I was working part-time before. Now I'm working full-time. So, but I do have my days off towards the end of the week, so that's good. Like, today's Friday. We're at the shop. Jesse's at the shop. But yeah, man, hope you guys have been doing good. Yeah, we're just gonna get into this. I don't know what the main thing of the video is gonna be, but we're just gonna get into it, man. We're here
today. We vibing.
We got fucking Naruto. So as you guys saw, we just removed the battery from the E36. That thing battery is completely drained. It's so we're gonna take it to AutoZone and see if they can charge it. Hopefully it's not bad. Hopefully they can charge it up. But yeah, we're gonna revive the Beamer, get that thing started up again. I haven't started it in a minute. We'll see if we do anything else, but we're gonna get some food right now, stop at AutoZone. And yeah, man, it's pretty much the comeback vlog after a month hiatus. Is that how you say it? Hiatus?
Hiatus. Hyenas?
I hate us too. Sheesh. So I don't know if you guys remember the last time I showed this. The what would you call it? A quarter pound of or what would you? It was cut out.
Yeah, the original tubs were cut out, and
we got the new ones. Remember, it was, I think the last I showed, you were measuring them and all that.
yeah.
But they're finally in here and welded. The shock towers too. Oh wow, look at that. And this is gonna be like the strap bar then?
Yeah, it's the middle
to reinforce
bracing.
it.
Yeah.
So right now, what's going on with the fuel cell?
So right now we just finished. I just finished welding in the strut bar, and we did kind of like a floating fuel cell just to save up a bunch of room down there, and this is what we got.
Jeez.
This after some months, this is the last of it.
Fucking wizard, look at this, guys. Looks so good. And then once this is in there, the fuel lines too still, right?
Yeah, so we're waiting on some fuel lines, and we did we're gonna be doing an internal pump.
Oh shit.
So get everything
So
wired
inside
up.
here?
Yeah.
Nice.
This was cheap, $100.
What? Damn. Now look at this. This is crazy work, guys. Just look at that weld.
Thank you, thank you.
Wow, man. And it's on the ground now too. Last I showed it wasn't on the ground yet.
Yeah, it's rolling too.
Sheesh. Also check out this bike we have at the shop. I guess it's called a Helix, a Honda Helix, a 96. And it's automatic. I've never seen one of these. This shit's sick though. I took it for a little spin, went like a cool 5 miles per hour. Maybe 3. I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's literally leaning on the side and it's still almost on the ground.
You can't use the kickstand because it's too low. It's going lower.
Hey, go for a spin. Let me see you whip it. Damn, my boy looks tight though, look at him.
I look sick.
Just imagine you see him mobbing on the freeway.
Safety first, kids.
So, AutoZone, I kind of figured, but they said I have a bad battery. They said it didn't even hold it didn't even charge at all. So I don't know if they're bullshitting because when we jump started it before, it did hold a charge after letting it turn on for a while and just run, you know, and driving it. Like it held a charge for a good while and then it sat and died. So I mean, I guess it could have just went completely bad, but yeah, they said they didn't even charge at all. They didn't even circle good or bad, so who knows if their charger even worked, but I need a new battery anyways. Oh, and I made a trade, so this is the biggest flaw on the car. This quarter panel is dented in, so I have a friend that actually wants the muffler on the Civic. I have a friend that wants this muffler, so we're gonna do a trade. He's really good at bodywork, so I'm gonna trade him the muffler for the quarter panel. So that should be cool, man. I trust his work, and I can't wait for this thing to be looking mint. What are we doing out here, Joseph?
I'm picking up 2 more TEs. As you can see, I got stocks in the rear. So that's what we're up to. That and alignment.
So yeah, my boy picked up these front pair. They look really good. And now he's getting the rear pair. Somehow he was able to find the same color and everything. So Camry's gonna be driving out of here with the.
Don't ask me how I did it.
Got a lot of clean cars here. Bone stock SC, very nice. FC RX-7. Oh damn, I didn't even see that.
So as y'all can tell, here are the 2 good ones. These are the ones that I really wanted, obviously. But these were free with the other 2. The rash. This one's fucked up right here, which I don't think is repairable. So if anybody wants it, we'll put a raffle.
Free tees.
Free tees. No, I'm gonna keep this one though. It's repairable.
Yeah, this one's not
bad. Spare.
Hey, let me get it for E36. I'll run 18s in the front and
2 right here. It's a little wobbly.
Hey, well, these 2 are clean. My boy gonna have 6 tees. Nice.
That's nice.
After about what, like 3 hours?
Yeah. Well, 3 hours for me, 2 for you because you fell asleep.
Took a little nap, but yeah, I did an alignment too for my boy. But sheesh, full set of TEs on the Camry. How you feeling, bro? You went from a Prelude many years ago,
A plastic Prelude,
to a couple IS300s to now a brand new car with a set of TEs.
It looks nice. I wasn't feeling them at first with just the front 2, but with the whole set, it looks really good. So I'm content. Let's go for now.
Wow.
Make sure you get whatever that is right there. That's Chevy. I gotta roll it. Hell yeah.
First time trying Portos. Shout out to my boy. Now time for the drive home with the TE. Good job, Camry.
You said good job.
If you're doing brake pads, just a little life hack. Easy access. When I took off the front ball, it literally just like opened up. Like, come on. Oh, it's okay. We don't need that. I don't know why I'm doing this, no gloves. Alright, what is going on, guys? I'm continuing this from the last vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in one vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna do separate vlogs, but if it's a brand new vlog, hope you guys are doing good. I'm gonna try to keep these vlogs going at least once a week. I told I just started working again full time, so more than before. So I'm really more busy now, but hey, for content, you need money, right? We're not on a TJ Hunt level yet, but we just got this from the store. As you guys know, we have no water access here, so we got to improvise. Got some water. I got this. What we got here?
You got a pump that you can like make this shit pressurized, and then you can use this as like a little pressure washer.
Yeah, so I wanted to work on the Beamer, but looking at it all dirty, it just kind of makes you just not want to work on the car.
I know my shit all fucked up too.
Jesse got it too.
Yeah. I'm actually doing my oil pan right now. Oil pan number 5.
It's leaking?
5? Yeah, it's bad. There's no oil in the motor at all. It's donezo.
Oh, sorry, I was just zooming in on the Classic. What are you saying? That's my boy taking off the oil pan. You gonna just patch it up or replace it or what?
Sebastian's gonna weld it up for me. He already did my skid plate. That's my skid plate over there. I just finished cleaning it. Now I just need to take out the pan and clean it up so he could just...
How?
Hold on.
Hey, we can start a detailing business
Oh,
now.
I'm saying now.
We can start a detailing business. That's all we need, bro. Shit.
Dude, I just gotta go buy the detailer's kit from Chemical Guys, and now I'm fucking certified detailer. Goes in there, and just like a penis pump.
Kids, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Oh. Thank you, Phil. They might.
Just a bit, mate.
Extra nozzles. Hey, can you turn it up, man? I think you might need some more pumps too, bro. It's like you're a 5 pumper, bro.
Oh, I imagine I snap it.
Yeah, hold on, don't break the handle now. That was one of the reviews on the cheaper one. It said handle broke on first pump. Damn, I got a blow valve on this? Thing is ready, bro. Thing is ready.
I think I'm gonna switch the tip.
Oh yeah,
the tip.
good idea. Oh, the brown one. Oh shit. So the brown one, the brown tip was the high velocity. So we'll see if that's true.
Let's try that.
See if that's true.
Maybe it goes like. Nope, it goes like this. Okie dokie.
All right, let's see. We actually got, believe it or not, the top notch model that they had. They had a half-gallon one. I'm sure there's nicer ones than this one, but from what we saw, it's the Big Daddy right here.
Oh yeah, mobile baby. Oh, okay. I actually like that. It's not bad. My leg is all wet now. Dude, that's pretty long. I mean, it's still going.
Thanks. Oh yeah, look at that. Tell me that's not satisfying.
Got a barn find.
Only if it was an M3. M3.
It's not.
Nah,
I've been bamboozled.
it's a 318 Ti.
My water feels good, Ricky.
Hey bro, you're wasting the water.
Sorry.
Turning our profits negative, bro.
We should sand all this down.
All the rest?
Yeah, if not, we could. I think you could just get new molding.
Yeah.
Damn.
What hose? You don't need a hose. You
Can't
don't
wait to rinse down mine.
It is looking a little depressed over there.
Might as well.
Might as
Hold
well,
on,
might as well.
give that a little shower quick.
Of course.
There are times where I can clean.
What a fucking dick. You know that guy?
I do
Sorry, I'm zoomed in.
Sometimes I know
Alright, we're
when
good.
he's nice to me. Oh my bad, bro.
Wow, you're a dick too. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. A little bit more. Drop a like for the video if you guys are messing with the tees. Look good. Maybe I'll buy them off Joseph for the E36. One day in the future.
I am gonna go 19s one day, so that'd be cool.
When he goes 19s, maybe. Let me know if that would look good. I think it would look really good. I want 18s too. I'm on 17s. Oh yeah, I can see it.
Yeah,
Color combo look. But for now, I guess the Camry can hold on.
yeah,
to
I'll take care of them until you're ready.
You better take care of them. Alright guys, so it's about that time. I think I'm gonna combine all of these videos into one vlog. It should be a good enough vlog, I'm hoping. So if it is, it's gonna go up. So yeah, I was gone for like a month, but I was just readjusting, just, you know, taking care of business. But now I should be in position to pump out one good vlog a week. Should have some parts coming in. So yeah, I'm gonna get this content rolling. I know I say that all the time, but I appreciate the ones that are still sticking around. I really do appreciate you guys. But if you guys want to see more vlogs, you already know, please drop a thumbs up. If you guys are new, please consider subscribing. More content's on the way. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Later.